If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the number of subset of A which contains at least 2 elements is. Okay, let's see how to solve this. So we all know how to find the total number of subset of given set. That is subset is equal to 2 power n is the formula. So n stands for number of elements in the given set. So here in this case we have 6 elements. So total number of subset is equal to 2 power 6. But here they have asked us to find out the number of subset which contains at least 2 elements. Total number of subset can be found out in another way. That is subset is equal to now the total number of subset empty set can also be taken, right? That is 6C0. 6C0 can be taken plus 6C1 can be taken. That is number of subset which containing only one element. Now 6C2, this is number of elements. So number of subset which containing only 2 elements. Like that, if I continue up to 6C6, 6C3 plus 6C4 plus 6C5 plus 6C6. So this is the total number of subset we can find out in this way. This is to find the total number of subset. But here they asked us to find out at least 2 elements. At least 2 elements in the sense we have to remove this part, right? That is 6C. These two we don't want. These two we don't want. So the calculation that I'm going to use here is now I'm going to consider the top formula, that is 2 power 6 minus 6C0 plus 6C1. What is the meaning of this? 2 power 6 is the total number of subset. In that I am going to remove the subset containing 0 element and the subset containing 1 element. So we all know NCR formula. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So I'm going to write these values directly. 6C0 and 6C1 I calculated by using this formula. So please calculate afterwards. I'll write here the final answer. 2 power 6 minus of 6C0 is 1 plus 6C1 is 6. Okay, 2 power 6 is 64. 64 minus 1 plus 6 is 7. 64 minus 7, so 4, 3, 57. 57 is the correct answer. 57. Option D, 57 is the correct answer. So what does 57 indicates? This is the total number of subset of given set which contain at least 2 elements. So the final answer is 57. If n of A is equal to 2 and total number of possible relation from A to B is 1024, then n of B, value of n of B. Okay, so before solving this, we should know how to calculate the formula to find out the number of relations between A and B. The formula is, I'll write here, relation between A to B is equal to 2 power number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B. So this is the actual formula. Here the value is given, that is the number of relation between them is given, so it is 1024. 1024 is equal to 2 power n of A into n of B. Okay, so now 1024 can be taken as 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is equal to 2 power n of A into n of B. So now we can equate the powers, right? When the bases are same, we can equate the powers. I will take n of A into n of B is equal to 10. N of A value is given, n of A value is 2, right? So n of B will become, n of B is equal to 10 by 2. So what is 10 by 2? 10 by 2 is 5. So we can conclude here that option A is the right answer. Next question, the value of sine square 51 degree plus sine square 39 degree. Okay, so just do 90 minus 39, 90 minus 39 or 90 minus 51. You will get 90 minus 39 if you do, we get 51. And 90 minus 51 if you do, it is 39. Yeah, so that means, here we can conclude that this problem can be solved by using allied angle. Okay, I'm going to consider one of the term here. I'll take sine square 39 itself. I'll write this as sine square 51 plus sine square. I'll take this as 90 minus 51. 90 minus 51. So what is 90 minus 51? Already we have written 90 minus 51 is 39. So I just replaced 39 by 90 minus 51. We all know that sine of 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta comes in first quadrant, so it is cos theta, right? Cos theta. 90 is a interchanging value, so we get cos theta. So here we get sine square 51 plus, since it is 90, it changes to cos, so cos square 51. Once again, our favorite formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta is what? That is only our answer. Next question, if z is equal to x plus iy, then the equation of mod z plus 1 is equal to mod z minus 1. Okay, so it represents what kind of equations? After solving, we have to say what kind of equations we get in the end. Okay, so let's write the given equation. So z is equal to x plus iy. Now here the mod z plus 1 is equal to mod z minus 1. Let's replace these values. So mod z is x plus iy plus 1. Here mod x plus iy minus 1. Okay, so before doing modulus of this, we'll take x plus 1 plus iy. I'll take this separately. Yeah, is equal to x minus 1 plus iy. So now it is in the a plus ib form. So we have to find the modulus of z. Modulus of z is what? Mod z is equal to square root of a square plus b square. So this is the modulus formula. I'm going to put modulus for this and this. So this becomes square root of x plus 1 the whole square plus y square. Not iy square, it is just y square, is equal to square root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y square. Since we have square root on both sides, we can cancel directly. We get this and this gets cancels out. The element that we get after this is x plus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to x minus 1 the whole square plus y square. We can cancel y square and y square. We end up getting x plus 1 the whole square is equal to x minus 1 the whole square. So let's expand this. We get x square plus 1 square plus 2x is equal to x square plus 1 square minus 2x. Okay, we can cancel some of these. This and this gets cancels out. This and this. We get 2x plus 2x is equal to 0. I transposed minus 2x. We get 4x is equal to 0. And x is equal to 0, we get it. X is equal to 0. So what do you mean by x is equal to 0? So it represents y-axis, right? Now if I take a graph, x is equal to 0 line. So x is equal to 0 line is this, right? So if I mark here, this is equation of a line. It represents what? Which axis? It is y-axis. So option A, y-axis is the correct answer. So one more example is, now if I give you x is equal to 1, in that case you will just draw a line here. It is the equation of a line, so you have to draw a line. It is not a coordinate where you put one point here and say that is the value. So x is equal to 0 is representing y-axis. So option A, y-axis is the correct answer. Next question, the value of limit x tends to 0, tan x divided by root of 2x plus 4 minus 2 is. Okay, so I have already taught what to do when we get this limit questions. So we have to use L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is differentiate numerator and differentiate denominator separately. In this case, we have, now if we substitute x is equal to 0, we get 0 by 0 form, right? Yeah, 0 by 0 form we get it. So if you are getting 0 by 0 form, so we have to solve by using L'Hospital rule. So let's differentiate numerator separately and denominator separately. So differentiation of numerator is tan x differentiation is secant square x divided by root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root 2x plus 4 and minus 2 differentiation is 0 and 2x differentiation into 2. Yeah. Okay, in this case 2 and 2 gets cancels out, 2 and 2 gets cancels out. We can rewrite this as secant square x into root of 2x plus 4 into root of 2x plus 4. Now let's see, after the differentiation we have to check the limiting value. So the limiting value is x tends to 0, right? Let's substitute that. So it is secant square 0 of root 2 into 0 plus 4. Okay, secant 0 is 1 into 2 into 0 is 0 plus 4, root 4. Yeah, so root 4 value is what? 2. So 2 is the answer. Option B, 2 is the answer. So remember, L'Hospital rule is a major rule where you differentiate numerator and denominator separately, and you will substitute the limiting value. If you are getting undefined form, once again you differentiate. Once again you follow until you get the answer. So this is what the L'Hospital rule. So this is so important for all of us to solve any continuity problem, children. Next sum, the number of terms in the expansion x plus y plus z the whole power 10 is. Okay, so the direct formula I'll give you to solve this. The formula is number of terms in I'll give x plus y plus z the whole power n. Whole power n is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 whole divided by 2. So this is the formula. Here the given condition is x plus y plus z the whole power 10. So if you compare, n value is equal to 10. Substitute this in the formula and find out the correct answer for this question. Next question, if ABC are three mutually exclusive and exhaustive events of an experiment such that P of A is equal to 2 times of P of B is equal to 3 times of P of C, then the value of P of B. Okay, so we all know so the total probability of any events can be taken as P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. Okay, here the condition is given. Condition is P of A is 2 times of P of B, right? So in place of P of A, I'm going to consider 2 times of P of B plus, so P of B I'll write it as it is, P of B plus P of C can be taken as, here if you observe, 2 times of P of B. 2 times of P of B is equal to 3 times of P of C. So what is P of C? P of C is equal to 2 by 3 times of P of B. Okay, that value I'm going to substitute here. It becomes 2 by 3 of P of B is equal to 1. Okay, so here let's make the denominator same. 3 by 3 and here it is 3 by 3. So we get 6 P of B plus 3 P of B plus 2 P of B whole divided by, we get 3 is equal to 1. Next 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So we get 11 P of B. Okay, 11 P of B whole divided by 3 is equal to 1. If we cross multiply, we get P of B is equal to 3 divided by 11. Do we have this option? Yeah, option D, 3 divided by 11 is the correct answer. Next question, so the matrix is given, they're asking us to find out a power 4. Okay, one suggestion whenever you do matrix, if they ask you to find out the highest power like a power 4, a power 10, a power 15 and all, first you find out a square, any matrix, and then you get an idea what to take after that. So that's why you take a square first. Let's do a square here. A square is equal to a into a, so it is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0. Okay, now if we find out a square, 0 into 0, 0 into 0 is sides 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Yeah, I did it very quickly. So if you want to check, you just check this once again. So a square matrix, we got it. A square is what? So this is, if you look carefully, this is identity matrix, right? Yeah, so that is the thing. So a square is equal to identity matrix, we got it. So now even if you find out a power 3, a power 4, we end up getting identity matrix only. That is the specialty of identity matrix. So what we can conclude here, what is a power 4 is? A power 4 is equal to I. So this is one of the easiest method. So whenever you get a highest power, in terms of finding a matrix, in that case, first the basic minimum step that I want you all to do is find a square. You get an idea, and based on that, you select your answers. Next question, 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x plus y. So then dy by dx is, so there is a shortcut to do this, but I don't know whether you will be able to remember the shortcut. So that's the reason I'm just doing the normal method. So let's see how to solve this. Let's write the equation first. The equation is 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x plus y. Okay, so this 2 power x plus y, I'll just write it as 2 power x into 2 power y. 2 power x into 2 power y. Now let's differentiate this. If we differentiate, we get 2 power x differentiation is 2 power x into log 2 is the differentiation. Next, 2 power y differentiation is 2 power y into log 2 into y differentiation is dy by dx is equal to, so this side we have to use product rule. I'll keep 2 power x as it is. 2 power y integration is 2 power y into log 2 dy by dx plus 2 power y, I'll keep it as it is. 2 power x differentiation is 2 power x into log 2. 2 power x into log 2, yes. Okay, now if you take log 2 common both the side, we get log 2 of 2 power x plus 2 power y dy by dx is equal to log 2 of 2 power x plus y. I'll rewrite this, 2 power x plus y plus 2 power, so 2 power x plus y into dy by dx, right? 2 power x into x plus y into dy by dx plus 2 power x plus y. Okay, we can cancel log 2 and log 2. Okay, now if you solve for dy by dx, I'll write directly. So dy by dx is equal to this element, that is 2 power x plus y minus 2 power x whole divided by 2 power y minus 2 power x plus y. I have written some steps like directly, like without writing those steps, so please be very careful while doing that. Okay, now in place of 2 power x plus y, I'm going to write this 2 power x plus 2 power y. So this becomes dy by dx is equal to 2 power x plus 2 power y minus 2 power x whole divided by 2 power y minus of 2 power x plus 2 power y. So this becomes 2 power x plus 2 power y minus 2 power x whole divided by 2 power y minus 2 power x minus 2 power y. So we can cancel 2 power x and 2 power x in the numerator, 2 power y and 2 power y in the denominator. So the final answer is 2 power y by, okay, minus is here, yeah, I'll remove this, 2 power y divided by 2 power x. So this can be taken as minus of 2 power y minus x. So this is the final answer. Do we have this option? Yes, option C, minus of 2 power y minus x is the correct answer. This last question, xe the whole power y is equal to e power x, then dy by dx is, okay, so let's see how to solve this. I'm going to write that equation, x into e the whole power y is equal to e power x. I'll take log on both sides. If I take log, this becomes log of x into e the whole power y is equal to log e power x. So you all know log a power b is b log a. So in that case y will come here. So y log of xe is equal to, here this becomes x into log e. So if I rewrite this, log of, once again, log ab formula. What is log ab? Log of a plus log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, right? Yeah, so this becomes log x plus log e is equal to x into log e. Okay, in mathematics, all the logs can be, will be considered as log the base e. So that value is 1. So this value is 1 and this value is 1. So we end up getting y of, so log x plus 1 is equal to x, we get it. So y is equal to x divided by log x plus 1 is the y function. Now let's differentiate this. So if you observe option B, C and D, it's almost the same, log x plus 1. So we are in the right path. So let's find out dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to denominator square, that is log x plus 1 the whole square. The same denominator I'm going to write here, log x plus 1 into x differentiation is 1 minus x, I'll keep it as it is, log x plus 1 differentiation is just 1 by x. Okay, so here we can cancel x and x we can cancel. So the element that is left out is log x plus 1 minus 1 divided by log x plus 1 the whole square, log x plus 1 the whole square. Here plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancels out. The final answer is log x divided by log x plus 1 the whole square. So option B, look at option B, log x divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. So option B is the correct answer. So with this, I'm just stopping here. If you feel the class was useful, please share, like, share and subscribe to my channel, children. Thank you. Thanks a lot.